You hear what me I tell you, Bridget? You I last one in again. Viewers and subscribers, welcome, Wagwan. This is yours truly, Justin Blake. Back with you again with another interesting topic. Today's topic no have nothing to do with nobody, mix up and drama and bangarang. Today's topic happens to be confidence. In the realest way, so with confidence, brethren, you can't use confidence and convince people if you say the sky purple when you know say the sky blue. You can't use confidence to unlock so many levels in life. You can only imagine. Yes, if you imagine, you can achieve it. And with confidence and the energy what you need as a booster to push yourself forward. Forward favor and a backward never. Hey girl, let me tell you something. You see with confidence, you see the handsome young man the way you like, who have all of the ambition them where you admire, and you see a future with a person like that in your life. You see if you don't have the confidence, girl, to express your true feelings and emotion to that individual, the next girl, right, let's go take him where, and then you go regret saying you never say something by way of having a confidence if you can't even engage a potential prospect for a progressive relationship. Big up all of the women them out there when afraid to go for what they want. Let me talk to the man them now. As a matter of fact, let me start with the little youth them. Little youth, hear me I tell you, man. Me not tell you no lie. You see the peer pressure situation where some little idiot want come get you involved in some little idiot vibes where you know it's not right, but because you want fit in and you don't know how to actually, follow your heart, Regine. First and foremost, you're going to need some confidence soap. You see, if you never drink a cup of boiling confidence soap, you need to ask a mother, or even your father, or find somebody where you can talk to them, man, to help boost up your confidence, brethren. Give some confidence soap so you can be able to have the courage to stand up and say, that's not what I want for my life. Me not in that. You can't fool me. You can't trick me into that. You can't tell me say me not somebody or me a idiot or me a clone because me say me don't want that for my life because that a negativity, that a destruction, and me don't want that for my life. Youth, you have to have the confidence to rise and say, yo, me don't want that. Me no care if you're done and me no care if you're dope. One thing me tell you better listen up, youth. Me a sip my confidence soup. A lot of people use confidence in the wrong way. What I mean by that is a person will use all in confidence and in energy and in might and in power in a negative way. Then confidence rise to the highest level. When time them a do something negative, then confidence level gone through the sky. But you see when time them use them confidence to show them true potential and lift themselves up out of a bad situation into a better one, then can't able to grasp then confidence power for the betterment of their own self. And brethren, may I tell you the honest truth. I don't lie to you. If me tell you, say, me not burn up. I know AC, you know. Wow. But you don't know, the show must go on. As I was saying, too much of who I use your confidence for the wrong reason. Don't use your confidence for do nothing negative. When if you cuss out somebody and go along bad, the worst of yourself, and that's the only time your confidence come to full light and power. You see, if the only way that you know how to use confidence you need to check yourself. As me I tell you now, in the realest way, brethren, just try it. You see, anytime people I say all the negative things to you and they tear down your self-esteem and make you feel less of yourself, power in you got the might to rise like a phoenix from the burning ashes. You have the spirit, the energy, the confidence, the willpower to rise up out of any situation, cut and clear all negative vibes, and you use your confidence to lift yourself up. Don't make them tell us say you're the worst. Don't make them try to tell us say you can't come to nothing. Don't make them tell us say just give up because I saw everybody I live and I saw it go stay until the whole of it dead. No, you have the willpower. You have the courage to be the greatest. But your confidence, what you need to use as the motion behind the wheel, the fuel, the energy, Yeah, Them a tell us say, you can't reach to your masters, you can't get all the degrees them, all of your titles them what you need to become that professional in a life. You use confidence, you use determination, you use willpower, you use discipline. Yes, and you set your goal in a sight. Sometime you go drop, no matter about that. Sometime you go chip up, no worry about that. Little obstacle go in your way, but you know say your confidence are the driving force, and your confidence I said don't stop, youth. Your confidence I said don't stop. Remember your confidence. Watch what go on. You're born really good. Me say you're born really good. Your confidence stronger up the girl. Nothing no wrong with girl confidence. Remember say you already struck out the plan forward in a bridging. Don't make nothing or nobody stop your youth. Use your confidence and go forward, youth. Use your confidence to push forward. Bridging, remember say you're smart, you know. You have the confidence to do it, youth. That's the point of me I try to send forward. Bridging, my brother, my friend, my dopes, me not call you no dog. Me not call you killy. Call them name the son too. Chano youth. You hear me? Imagine this youth. Businessman title. Imagine this youth. You have a title to your name that says sole proprietor. It means he is a businessman, brother. Sometimes you're going to the bank and you have a business title, them deal with a different, brother. Because them say you're out for the greatness, brother. And the bank want to help you to achieve a goal. So yo, hear me as a man. Don't be afraid to go down to your nearest bank, brother. Go on to your bank, go talk to your bank manager. Talk to the financial advisor what them have today. And see how you can get up a start, brother. Hear me as a see? You know like when time you plant a tree and you watch it grow in the realest way. Alright, look on it the way. You see? You have a nice marijuana farm. See? 1/4 acre. And you take your time and you nurture your marijuana farm. Your farmer come nice. Yeah, because you attend to your farm, because you have your plan. You see, when a harvest time come now, youth, and you them have to come talk to, because you got the supply bridging. Set up shop in the realest way, you know. You don't have to be marijuana, you know. You can start up any business, anything at all you want to start up, youth. Once you structure it out, once you look on it and you see say it can work, take some calculated risk, youth. Don't be afraid to use your confidence to move yourself forward. You see, if you don't believe in yourself, you're not gonna believe me, man. Believe me when time I tell you, man. You see your confidence, brethren. Just use it as the power, as the way forward to make a better way through in a life, brethren. Don't make them tell us that because you come from a certain background. Don't make them tell us that you know sufferation from your born. A sufferation you go dead in. Don't make them tell us that your idea can come to life, to reality. Don't make them tell us your idea where you have Jamaica first tech billionaire. I talk about people like Elon Musk and them people. You can come becomes one of the most greatest technological creators in the world, what the world has ever seen. Because you believe in yourself, youth, and you have a vision, youth, and you put in the work, you put in the research, brethren. I went to your friend, them say them go a party, and I'm going to look at girl, you stay aside and say, no, you sit in and you stick to the task. Because you have a plan, brethren, and you stick to the plan, Mr. Brethren, and you have the confidence in your plan and go work because you believe in yourself and nobody can tell you otherwise, and you never stop until you achieve that in the realest way because of your confidence. Your confidence tell us, yes, I will, don't tell me I won't, because I got confidence with me. May I ask you to do me a kind favor? I want you to go in the description section. I want you to click on the link that says Talking Family. It is my good friend YouTube channel, and as you hear the name, you know what it's all about. It's all about family. If you're a parent or you plan to have children in the near future, check out Natalie over there on Talking Family. Trust me, she's a beautiful, intelligent, informative host. Why not? She's a vast resource of information as it relates to family. So check her out and see what she has to offer as it relates to the development of family.
Gabby teach me in him speeches, say without self-confidence, youth is twice defeated. Believe me, Rastafari. Now wait for nobody for tell me some great. Now wait for nobody for open up a gate. Have to believe in myself. Have to believe in myself. Now wait for nobody for give me motivation. Me have to make it out the sticky situation. Although the life you know easy, no say we have to win. Yeah. Walk with the camera like Jesus. No
know say we have to win. House pan the hill, 34-inch rims, yeah. Know say we have to win. Yeah, that sail pan the sea, me not even a swim, yeah. Know say me have to win. Although that life you know easy, know say we have to win, yeah. People downtown we are sell pan the street, yeah.
Until next time, people. Viewers and subscribers, I just want to express my sincere gratitude for your view. Continue to view the Justin Blake channel. As a matter of fact, subscribe, click the notification bell. Never forget to leave a comment. Share this with everybody in your contact list. Until next time, walk good.